Tip 1. First, use the vomiting chicken to separate the egg yolks and whites. I separated 3 eggs. Everyone try your best not to let the yolk get into the white, but if it accidentally gets mixed in, just scoop it out and it's still fine. You can continue as usual. After separating, put the egg whites into a bowl and add about 20 grams of sugar. You can add the sugar in 2 separate times. It will be easier to beat. After that, use a whisk. It must be really clean and free of any oil or grease to beat the eggs until fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can make one yourself. There are lots of references on the internet. If you have an electric hand mixer, use it for faster results. Beating by hand will take a bit longer. When beating the egg whites with sugar, once it becomes fluffy, it will be quite lumpy, but that's okay. Just make sure not to overbeat it until the egg separates water, then it will be fine. Next, in the bowl with the egg yolks, add a little salt. Stir well until the salt dissolves. Then pour it into the fluffy egg white mixture from earlier and fold them together evenly so both parts combine well. Do not stir too strongly or too much, otherwise the egg will deflate and separate water. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After mixing the batter, take a non-stick pan about 2 centimeters in size. Remember to use low heat only. Brush a little butter or cooking oil to prevent sticking. Pour the beaten, fluffy egg mixture into the pan immediately. Note that after beating the egg until fluffy, you must fry it right away. Otherwise, it will deflate very quickly. Spread it out to make the surface even, not too uneven. After that, cover the pan with a lid and keep the heat on low for 3 to 4 minutes until the egg is cooked. After 3 to 4 minutes, when the bottom of the egg turns golden, fold it in half. Remember, before folding, move the egg piece a little bit toward the back of the pan, like in the video. At this point, you can take it out to a plate. It's similar to a soft, slightly runny egg yolk style. Press the uncooked side of the egg against the side of the pan to lock the inside, so it doesn't flow out, everyone. It also helps the egg cook more. And that's it. Look at it. So fluffy and bouncy. Really soft and airy. When you bite into it, you'll hear a nice loop-boop sound, and the inside will be super soft and melty. It feels completely different from regular eggs. Tip 2. First, I take 2 bananas, peel them, cut them into small pieces, then put them into a bowl. After that, I use a spoon to mash them thoroughly until the bananas become smooth and silky. A small tip is to choose ripe and soft bananas so the mixture has a natural sweetness and blends more easily. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to create an attractive color and a rich flavor. Then crack 2 eggs into the bowl. I use a fork to beat them evenly until everything combines into a smooth and silky mixture. After that, I take about 20 grams of walnuts, chop them into moderately small pieces, not too fine, so they still keep their nuttiness and create an interesting texture when eating. Everything is mixed well until the mixture becomes uniform, smooth, and gives off an attractive, fragrant smell. Next, I prepare a heat-resistant plastic tray. With patterns, brush a thin layer of cooking oil around it to prevent sticking. Then, I pour the entire mixture into the tray and gently spread the surface evenly so the cake cooks uniformly. I place the tray into the air fryer and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When the cake is done, the surface will set and release a gentle, appealing aroma of cocoa blended with ripe banana. I take the cake out, let it cool slightly, then enjoy. The finished product is soft and fluffy, with the rich nuttiness of walnuts combined with the natural sweetness of banana. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new attractive recipes in the future.